Suryoham. Someone raised a question. We all believe in one group, one cult, one segment, one master, one guru. We have a prayer, we have a mantra, we have some rituals. We are following that sincerely, religiously, with faith, with bhav. And suddenly, when Suryaji came, chant Suryoham, then follow Surya, and he is hijacking me, blackmailing. So we are confused. Let me answer this question properly. See, from time immemorial, we all believed or we all follow different groups, different sects, different dharmas, different rituals, different practices in our life. And the purpose of all these rituals or practices or all this type of uh, beliefs, you understand one thing, it is psychic, it's for your physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual growth. Nothing more than that. Shankaracharya mentioned very clearly न पूजा न कर्मम न मंत्रम न यंत्रम न माता न पिता न guru न शिष्य न mukti न moksha. After four ashrams, Yoga system and Saundar Lahari, he realized, Neti Neti, all these are temporary. You have to go beyond Shiva, beyond everything. That is nothingness. So we all are like a frog in a pond. We think this is our ultimate, this is our world. So we are happy with this. It's like a Pentium 1 computer. You don't want to grow. You have to out from the pond. Then you can see a lake. Oh, this is ultimate. Oh, for a short time, lake is ultimate. Again, after a few days, from you have to leave the lake, then the ocean. You think this is ultimate? One day you have to leave the ocean too. So, from your home to the airport, you are sitting in a car. So you have to trust the car for a short time. And once you reach the airport, you have to forget it. Don't look at the car. Or you think, oh, because of this car, I came from my home to the airport. I can leave the car. You are a God case. A few years before, while I was studying, I had some attachment with my school, my teachers. And it's a type of emotional attachment, not intellectual. It's a hormonal attachment. I cut it from my mind totally. Attachment with your father, with your mother, with your family members, with everything, with your guru, the same emotional attachment. And some people they believe or they have intuitions, messages. Masters are talking to them. Devi is coming into my system. All these things, let me tell you, it's a psychic energy, nothing else. It is your own imagination. Sarvam Sankalpa Matrana. This is all what you imagine. It will come, it will manifest. And don't give importance to such hallucinations and delusions and illusions. You have to go beyond that. There are around 1 million gurus and gurudams and ashrams and cult. 2503 religions are there in the world. In Christianity, around more than 40,000 groups. In Islam, more than 10,000 groups. Hinduism, 33 crores groups, 33 crores of goddesses are there, gods are there. So that much groups. Vaishnavites, Shaiva, Kaumaram, then Shaktiyam. So different groups are there, different. So all these are beautiful islands. And nowadays more teachers are there. Jagat Guru, Vishnu Guru, so many gurus are there, so many teachers are there. So they all forming their own groups and very sectarian, skeptical, narrow-minded groups. So it's a type of, I don't want to say a business, like politicians. Politics is the last asylum of a criminal, of a scoundrel. So they will say this group, right party or Democratic Party or Republic Party, they all fight each other. And when any marriage or any such things, they all club together, they drink alcohol, wine, they are very happy about. So they are fooling the public. It's a type of strategy in this dark age circus going on. So what I'm saying, instead of attached with all these type of things, you see whatever you feel, whatever you have the positive vibrations within you, you follow your heart, your inner voice. So don't struck with this pet little pothole. You have to grow, you have to live from Pentium 1 computer 2 3 4. You have to upgrade it time to time. Otherwise there's no growth or success or prosperity in your life. See, at the time of the farewell, Rama asked Hanuman, come with me to Vaikuntha. Hanumanji replied, if Rama there at Vaikuntha, I will be there. If Rama not there, I am not coming, you go. His faith beyond Rama. So, when you compare with Surya Yoga, sun is the inner sun. It's a common platform for all. It's a key maker. It's the Parabrahma Suruva Surya. And all the masters like Jesus, Muhammad, Shri Baba, Satya Sai Baba, or Narayan Guru, Raman, or Melchizedek, Swami Vishuddhanand, then Lao Tse, Milarepa, Buddha, Gandhi, or Tagore, all the masters, they all got blessings, power from Surya. So sun is the top of all these human manifested gurus or teachers or enlightened beings or siddhas or sages. Sun is beyond. So that you have to understand. They all came from Surya. They all had gone back to Surya Loka. So when I talk about Surya, it is your master, either Babaji or Mohanji or Rama or Muhammad or Jesus or any prophets or any priest or whoever. They wanted you to grow, upgrade, and you are like a blind. Guru mentioned in one Atmopadesha Shatagama sloka, പലമത സാരവും ഏകമെന്നു പാരാതുലകിലൊരാനയിൽ അന്ധരെന്ന പോലെ പലവിധ യുക്തി പറഞ്ഞു പാമരന്മാർ അലവത കണ്ടലയാതിരുന്നിടണം. Palamada Sara means, see, different religions have different concepts, different rituals, different ideas. It's like a blind trying to figure out an elephant. So 5 blinds. One blind, he touched the belly of elephant. Oh, elephant is like a wall. And the other one, the leg. Oh, it's like a pillar. Someone, the tail. Oh, it's like a broom. Someone touches the penis. Oh, it's like a jelly ball. When an outsider, he has vision, the truth, knowledge about all these things. Well, the elephant is different. The 5 or the blinds won't accept. They say you are wrong. They will attack him. This is the mental status of either you or religious who are ignorant about. So no, I don't want you to be in that segment, in that category. You understand what I say. So, it's not hijacking or blackmailing you or degrading your beliefs, but it's a next level, next dimension. So, once you complete your studies, that means you are not completing. You're always in the first standard. First year, second year, third year. There is no growth in you. And you are happy with that. You are like in the safety tank, like a worm in the safety tank. You think, I am happy here. So, no chance of growth for such losers, I say. So, you have to come out from that, the next level. And it's little painful, little difficult for you to accept, little difficult for you to club or synchronize. But you have to. Simple. You are from first standard to 10th standard. You are in one school. So emotionally you are attached. At the farewell time, when you once you leave, very difficult for you. My teachers, so many years, my family. You see a girl once at the time of her marriage, she has to leave her father, mother. She was crying, "Oh, I don't want to go. My father, my mother." After she had gone to her husband's house, 2 days, 3 days, forgot, gone. So this is the our state of our mindset. Hmm? So Suryog is the common platform, the highest, the the top level for you to evolve from the human plane to the astral to the top level. Hmm? Understand more about. Don't be so panicky. Don't confuse your mind and upgrade yourself. Hmm? Surya.